Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea with tea bags. First, select your preferred tea bag. Next, gather a clean mug and fresh water. You will also need a way to heat the water, such as a kettle or a microwave. These simple items are all you need to begin brewing a comforting cup of tea. Heating your water to the correct temperature is crucial for great tea. For black and most herbal teas, bring the water to a full boil. However, for more delicate green or white teas, aim for a slightly cooler temperature, around 175 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents bitterness and brings out the best flavor, ensuring a perfectly balanced cup. Now it's time to steep your tea. Carefully place one tea bag into your mug. Then, pour the hot water directly over the tea bag, ensuring it's fully submerged. Allow the tea to steep for the recommended time, typically between 3 and 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. Don't rush this step for the best flavor. Once your tea has steeped to perfection, carefully remove the tea bag. You can gently squeeze it against the side of the mug to extract any remaining flavor, but avoid over-squeezing to prevent bitterness. Now, customize your tea with milk, sugar, or lemon if you like. Stir gently and savor your delicious, homemade cup of tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.